Welcome to our Mini Cooper workshop, where passion meets precision. Today we embark on an exciting journey to restore a classic Mini Cooper SR53. This isn't just any car, it's a symbol of timeless design and engineering excellence. Our team of skilled craftsmen and mechanics are dedicated to bringing this beauty back to life piece by piece. Watch the transformation from bare bones to beautiful as we meticulously work on every detail. From the engine to the interior, no aspect is overlooked. We'll start by examining the car's current condition, identifying areas that need attention and planning our restoration strategy. This involves a thorough inspection of the engine, transmission, suspension and bodywork. The heart of the Mini Cooper, its engine, is carefully disassembled and cleaned. Each component is inspected for wear and tear, and any damaged parts are replaced with high-quality, authentic replacements. This ensures that the car not only looks great but performs flawlessly. Inside, the transformation continues. The interior is stripped down and we reupholster the seats with premium materials, refurbish the dashboard and install new carpeting. Every stitch and detail is crafted to match the original specifications, preserving the car's heritage while enhancing its comfort and style. The exterior undergoes a dramatic change as well. The bodywork is meticulously sanded, primed and painted to perfection. We choose a color that not only reflects the car's classic charm, but also adds a modern touch. The result is a stunning finish that turns heads wherever it goes. Finally, the car is reassembled with care. Every bolt, every screw is tightened with precision. Our team conducts a thorough quality check to ensure everything is in perfect working order. The Mini Cooper SR53 is now ready to hit the road, looking and performing like it just rolled off the factory floor. Join us on this incredible journey of restoration and witness the rebirth of a legend. The Mini Cooper SR53, from bare bones to beautiful, is a testament to our dedication and love for classic cars. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more exciting restorations.